Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to mirror Android to laptop to cast mobile screen on laptop. First of all, open up the Windows icon from the bottom bar. Then, click on the search bar and go into Settings. Now, from Settings, go into Systems Options. Scroll down in the system and click on Projecting to this PC. After that, click on the optional features from here. Then, from Add an optional feature, click on View Features. Now search here for Wireless Display. Click on the Wireless Display option and install it. Then, wait for it to get installed. Once you successfully installed this optional feature, and after that, go into the System option from here. Now again, scroll down here and click on Projecting to this PC. Make sure to select Available Everywhere to set the windows, and Android devices can project to this PC. After that, click on Launch the Wireless Display app to project to this PC. Now your laptop is ready for you to connect wirelessly. Head to your phone part and swipe down the control panel from the top right corner. From the control panel, you will find the Screencast option. Simply tap on that option and now you will see your laptop device. Now, tap on the laptop device and connect it. After that, you can see your phone's mirror screen on your laptop. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.